Hello friends and welcome to a new video. Monsoon brings life to our gardens but it also comes with its own set of challenges. So let me quickly tell you about 10 gardening mistakes that you should avoid during this rainy season. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, overwatering. Plants already get a lot of water from rain. So avoid manual watering. Excess water can lead to root rot. Mistake number 2, poor drainage. Ensure your beds or pots have proper drainage and the water does not collect at the base of the plants. Use raised beds for places where water tends to stagnate. Mistake number 3, wrong soil mix. Make sure your beds or containers have light, airy soil with lots of coco peat, compost, and sand so that the water drains quickly after a rain shower. Mistake number 4 is ignoring fungal issues. Fungi thrive in damp and warm places, and monsoon creates the perfect ecosystem for them. Don't ignore fungal issues in your plants and use neem oil sprays. Mistake number 5 is not pruning. Pruning extra leaves and branches helps with better airflow and access to light. This reduces the chances of fungal infestations and root rot. Mistake number 6 that you're making is wrong crop selection. Avoid planting sensitive plants like spinach, tomato, onions, etc., which are susceptible to root rot and pest attacks. Instead, plant monsoon hardy plants like turmeric, corn, peanuts, or even okra. They do really well in monsoon. Mistake number 7 is no support for plants. Strong winds can knock over your plants, like you can see it has done with our marigold here. So we will provide it with a stake so that it can stand properly. Also, the wet soil tends to become very soft and it weakens the hold of roots in the soil. So the plants can keel over or get knocked over by strong winds. Always provide them support during the monsoon season, especially the taller plants. Mistake number 8 is skipping mulching. You must think that why should I use mulching in monsoon season? There's plenty of water, but mulching can help control your weeds growth during monsoon. It can also protect your soil from heavy rains, which can lead to soil erosion. Mistake number 9 is don't overcrowd your plants too much. Give them ample space between the plants to allow better airflow and reduce the chances of diseases. Mistake number 10 is fertilizing at the wrong time. Keep fertilizing or pest control during heavy rains. The nutrients just get washed away and the plants won't benefit from them. Fertilize when there's a break from rains and when there's sun out. So friends, I hope that you got to learn something from this video and I hope that you will not make these mistakes in your monsoon garden. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe and also comment about various tips that you can give me on how can I improve gardening during monsoon. So see you in the next video.